Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find your IBAN number in the HSBC app. So I have got your back, so let's get started. First, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out any future tutorials. Okay, now let's jump right into it. So first of all, you have to open the HSBC app on your phone, and if you're using PC, you can visit their official website. Make sure you are logged into your account, your official account. Once you are on the home screen, you will see a list of your accounts. Tap on any of the accounts listed. It does not matter which one, okay? So except optional cookies, then you have to log on to their, not there, you have to log on to your official account. Now you will see an interface after logging in with a few options like manage card and view your statements. You have to go ahead and tap on view your statements and open any statements from there you'd like to open, and then on the statement loads, scroll through it and you will find your IBAN number clearly listed along the other details like your account number, sort code, and transaction summary. So that's it, super simple, right? So if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.